OPPO is holding an event on October 24th to launch the Find X8 series. Along with the phones, including the Pad 3 Pro, OPPO magnetic wireless charger, and a new color for the Watch X. The event will also feature the launch of the new Enco X3 TWS earbuds. The Enco X3 features a dual dynamic driver setup with an 11mm bass driver and a 6mm tweeter powered by the BES2700 chipset. These in-ear earbuds come equipped with noise cancellation technology that reduces ambient noise by up to 50 dB. They also include AI call noise reduction. The earbuds use real-time human voice calculation for noise reduction, resulting in a 200% increase in voice-to-noising ability, as the earbuds come with an IP55 rating for dust and water resistance. Each earbud packs a 58 mAh battery, and the charging case offers 566 mAh capacity. You can charge them wired or wirelessly, with support for up to 10W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.